Going live in 2 minutes. Hello, my friends. How are you? How is it going? Welcome one by one. How are you? How's it going? Nice to see you all. Welcome. How are you? How's it going? Hello, Maxi. Hello, Tyler. Hello, my friends. Nice to see you. How is it going? How are you? Welcome everyone to one more TTF live trading session. How are you? How is it going? Welcome. Nice to see you, Glenn. How are you? I'm doing very well, my friend, today. Thanks for asking, Glenn. I won't lie to you. I had here in Greece, we have a wonderful weather. I'm doing very well. I'm also in a trade that I will share with all of you. You know where from. You all know. I'm sure that you know. Amazing stuff. And at this point, whoever doesn't know, we here in TTF, we have a really nice program that we call it the Earn As You Learn program. That it is a huge opportunity, especially for you, the new traders, to be able to earn as you're in the learning curve of your education, giving you trade ideas. I have taken today one of these trade ideas. I promised that I will do also a trade recap on it, that I'm going, of course, to share it in the community. Whoever wants, my friends, to join the community, you will find the link in the description. trdfloor.com. Go take a look at us. I can't stop talking about our community, how supportive the Discord community is. Tons of knowledge. I can't count how many courses we have, how many live streams, how many educational content, the indicators, the magical indicators, huge content. Really, I would love to see you over there. Atanasov, hello, my friend. Nice to see you, mate. Hi, Maxi. Hi. Glenn says, do you think we will have another cliff drop today? Well, my drone liquidity, my friend, is down here. And why is this happening? Because if we take a look at the order flow, we are clearly bearish. Okay, there is no doubt upon that. And why is this? Because remember what we do all the time. Give me a sec, please, to fix a little bit things around here because I can't see. Okay. Remember how we do things, the magical triangles. What did we have over here? We had a triangle formation over here that has been filled. Now we have a new triangle. What are we seeing? How is this triangle going to form? Okay, this is a triangle. So look how price has respected this overall 1 hour inverted fair value gap. We have talked many times, especially in the community, about the inverted fair value gaps. What is this? This is, as my friend Maxi loves me to say it, I would call it the left leg, but for my friend Maxi, it is the left side of the curve of the overall market maker model based on the ICT concepts. What do we have now? We see that price has respected perfectly this inventory fair value gap. That was a huge area of support. You see, previously, you can see by yourselves what it was going on. Now it is a perfect resistance of price. Well, my draw on liquidity, of course, is the sell side of the low that created yesterday. Also, going down to the DRI-DR concepts, what are we seeing? We are seeing clearly price is forming a bearish expansion model. Price is downside of Asia. I love what I'm seeing. Clear bearish structure. Everything is bearish. I can't go anything against that. What I would like to see, although, on the opening, will be a manipulation of price to come back over here to the Asian DR and take a really nice continuation from here. One of my favorite setups. If this doesn't happen, unfortunately, we will wait for sure for the manipulation of price, take some liquidity from here, and again go down. This is how my plan is for today. Hello, Linda. Hello, Tyler. Hello, Algo 2.0. Nice to see you, mate, also in the live stream. I know that you are a member of TTF. Hello, Greg. Hello, Mr. Group. Nice to see you. Maxi says, haha, I don't care how you call it. We all know what you mean. And I'm happy about that because as I'm seeing many don't understand what I'm telling. Lately, I have this problem. I won't lie to you. But okay, no worries. I'm happy that most of you understand me and I mean it. I like lower prices as well. I don't like the expansion lower during London. I think the open will be choppy. I will agree with you. The open that I would like to see is for sure. I would like to see a manipulation of price. Oh, my beautiful daughter just bring me my espresso today. Not my wife, my daughter brought me the espresso. I love my girls so much, and whoever knows me is beginning to know me now. I am 40 years old, my friends. I have two beautiful daughters. And of course, I'm married with my wonderful and beautiful wife. They are my life. They are the purpose that I'm doing all of this. Remember, in anything you do, my friends, you must have a cause. You must have a purpose. A purpose that you're going to target upon so you can focus and go towards that target. Hello, Aaron, my friend. Hello, Igor. Gnasagor. Hello, my friend. Nice to see you, Igor. Nice to see you, mate. Nice to see you. Now I recognize who you are. Hello, Steve Roberts. Nice to see you, mate. Nice to see you. I'm very happy to see you. Hello, Magdalena. How are you? You are Magda from the community. I know you, Magda. Nice to see you also. My friends, I'm very happy that we are able to do this all together. I have said this many times. I'm very happy. You know, trading is very, very lonely, my friends. But doing it all together with all of you makes it even more beautiful. I'm very, very happy that you all are over here. I'm very happy. How is everyone going? How's everyone? How was your trading day until now? And for the transparency of, especially for the members that are part of the community, I have taken a trade on Forex on Euro GBP. Yes. Give me a sec, please. I took a trade on Euro GBP. I'm currently in drawdown. A little bit of drawdown, as you see down here. As you see. Well, I'm quite happy, and I hope that we will be able to get out of the drawdown. Also, Bear did a very nice outlook upon it. In the morning, at the first thing that I did, I made the outlook upon it. Whoever is part of the member, whoever wants to see my outlook upon this pair, go and check it out. If you are not member of TTF, hit down, my friends, hit the link in the description, trdfloor.com. We will enjoy to see you all at trading at our community. Here is where I did my outlook. I do, me, Bear, and Jay make a lot of outlooks a lot of the times. Come and see them by yourselves. Let's go back to TradingView. And of course, our favorite NQ. Of course, if anyone wants to let me go through any pair that he wants, it would be my pleasure to do it. Algo, well mixed but positive overall. That's the most important. Acer says, Kalispera Alex, τι κάνεις? I'm doing very well, Acer. Thank you. Thank you for translating how the Windex language. The Windex language. I'm very fine. It's nice to see you over here, Acer. Ashley. Some coffee to be prepared for the markets. Let's check the magical zones from Jay. What's going on? What do we have over here? This is a 1 hour zone over here. Look. Whoever wants to learn why I have the 1 hour zones and the reason why I'm using them, don't forget, go and watch my PA 2025 strategy. This for sure would be a trade for us. Really nice happy trail signal. We would for sure be in a short currently, even if it was the opening. You know. Lol, the best. I'm very, very, very happy. Algo, USD GPY 15 minutes. What's going on over there? Oh, okay. Really nice pullback. Okay, I love it. Mate. I won't lie to you. We are currently in a huge pullback. Look what happened. Price has overall came back over the equilibrium. Look what we have over here. A magical J zone. I would consider, if we have a break of this zone, prices to go even more lower, my friend. I love the setup. I love how is it forming. I'm also, I won't lie to you, my friends, I'm also beginning to love the 15-minute time frame. I believe that when I'm going to make millions from trading, I'm going to go also to the 15-minute to take my entries. It's more easy, more time, doesn't need so much effort. I love it. This is exactly what I would love. Let me draw also a fib. Price has reacted exactly from the equilibrium. Two scenarios go through my head, my friend. Algo. Either price to come to the golden zone even deeper and react from this double J zone, or I would like to see the break and the retest, and we will go even lower to take overall, because the drawn liquidity in this situation, my beloved friend, is this low. Why is this low? It is, my friend, because if this breaks, it will be a new lower low. That's why. Simple market structure with different names. But remember what else I have been teaching at TTF. The triangle method, my beloved friends. The triangle method. The triangle. I have gone on the triangle method in depth in my latest PA 2025 strategy. Of course, whoever wants come and join TTF, or if you are a member, don't forget to go and watch it. Whoever is in the stream, my friends, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. It helps us very much for the algorithm of YouTube to play us, to present us to whatever, call it whatever you want. It will play us more in the first pages. Let's go back. We forgot about the new. Oh, it's falling. It's dropping. Okay. I'm not surprised of what I'm seeing, to be honest with you guys. I'm not at all surprised, but I still want to see a manipulation move, my friends. I still want to see price at least go a little bit up. You know why? Because in my eyes, the markets, because of the London drop, as my friend Maxi said also, are overextended. I can't trust so much if I don't see price at least climb a little bit, grab some liquidity, and then take a continuation. I feel this as a trap for the sellers. Why? Because the sellers are selling here, are selling here, are selling here, everywhere. They want for sure to trap them at some point. I forgot, my friends, to check news. I'm sorry. My indicator, for some reason, it's not working. Let me add it again. Let me check it now if it works. It's not working for some reason. Check the news for me, guys. I forgot to check the news. Like a newbie. I forgot to check the news. Aaron says, could you look through gold today? I'm thinking bullish. Liquidity sweep into higher time frame fair value gap and back to the highs. Does this sound about right? Thanks. Aaron King. Of course it sounds right. It depends, although, in which time frame you're looking at. To be honest with you, my friend, who asked Aaron, okay. I would really like to see a deeper pullback. I won't lie to you. And I'm seeing the fair value gaps you meaning. Because of this impulsive move, I believe you are talking about this overall fair value gap over here, this big one over here in the 1/8. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing the reaction from the fair value gap. Yes, the highest probability because of the overall trend, of course, the buy side, the target is of course up here. I won't lie to you. But for some reason, I don't understand why. For some reason, I would like to see at least to come here at the 1 hour J zone from the easy exit. This is our indicator, easy exit. Whoever doesn't know and is part of the live stream, it's easy exit. Easy exit, my friend, has incorporated inside these magical zones. We don't truly know what Jay has done to it. But coming back to the analysis, I'm seeing the reaction. From what I'm seeing, also I would believe that price will take again and make a new all-time high. I'm sorry about that. Going for the 4,200. But something stops me. DR also, look from a DR perspective. DR is forming a bearish expansion model. Let me disable a little bit the J zones. Look, DR has formed a bearish expansion model. Price is currently in the Asian DR. Of course, this doesn't mean anything. If you would like to long, I would wait at least price to break from the upside, at least. Tyler says, same, I have been finding great success using 15-minute and 1 hour in the last 2-3 months. The 15-minute is is perfect. Is perfect for many reasons, because you don't see everywhere a setup. You must be, either you like it, either not, you must be much more patient. So day after day, you learn how to be patient. That's why I like it even more. The same things that you can see in the 1 minute, the same things, my friends, you can see also in the 15. But in the 1 minute, you will see much more noise. Donovan says, can you review EU? Of course I can. Maxi also says, but here it's incredibly hard to try to catch a reversal. I wouldn't recommend it at all to anyone. Okay, I believe you're talking to Mr. Algo. I will check Donovan about you. Give me a sec, please. Paul, my friend Ken says Paul speaks at 9:20. Okay, my friend. Okay. Speaks 12:20 New York time. Okay, I believe so. Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay. Okay, perfect. Thank you for giving me the news events. Oh, Ken is from Arizona. Very nice. I have never been to Arizona, because I don't know if I have told it to everyone. I was born in California, Eureka, California. Is that that's the East Coast? No. Yeah, the East Coast. If I'm right. The East Coast. Aaron says, I think it would be an aggressive trade. Thanks for your help. Euro USD looks great for a sell also. Euro USD. I love this pair for some reason. Let's take a look what's going on. It has inverted this one, of course, but it has broken both sides, so it is not valid. But this over here, my beloved friends, is super valid, because why? We have taken, look what is the trap over here. Equal lows over here. Equal lows. So look from the left side of the curve. Okay, look from the left side of the curve. What we are seeing over here, we are seeing this huge inverted fair value gap. Okay, so for me, I love the idea of sorting. I won't lie to you. Price over here created a lower low. We could have taken this Fibonacci and be already in a trade. Okay, and of course target the equal lows or go even lower. Let's take a look also in the 4 hour. Of course we have much liquidity. Look, this is the bigger version of the triangle. Whoever wants to learn about my magical triangles, please come and check or subscribe at trdfloor.com. It will be my pleasure to see you all over there. I love the idea. I won't lie to you. Let's take a look what's going on. Okay. I won't lie to you. This is a really nice bear flag forming in the 15-minute. I hope it goes down before my stop loss. Okay. I hope that you enjoyed my analysis. It's very important for me that you have understood exactly my analysis that I did previously, especially you guys from TTF. So I hope that I also helped our friend Aaron. Donovan asked for EU. I talked about EU. Any other, of course, will be my pleasure. Linda says, I see I have a 10-minute delay on my trade view on NQ. Have the same chart as you. Is that normal? Linda, my friend, it's because you're not paying the extra subscription to have the CME data. It probably has a D over here in your charts. Okay, next to the name, it has a D that means delayed. That's why you're not seeing the live data. If you go, although, and check a CFD, you will see the exact same data with me. I personally am a futures trader also. That's why I'm currently in the futures chart. That's why. But if I remember well, if anyone can help me on this, if I remember well, no, Linda says I have the plus plan. It doesn't have to do. I have the premium, the highest one. This is something you must pay additionally, despite the subscription you have. It costs, if I remember well, $8 per month. $8 per month. Well, I don't enjoy how the market's opened. I won't lie to you. Let me take a look at a secret look that I want to check. You know, some of the Holy Grail over here. Look me, what? The Holy Grail. The Holy Grail. What is this? Oh, it is my ICT mechanical strategy. What is this? A 90-minute cycles. Did we take the first 90-minute cycle low? Interesting stuff. Interesting stuff. Maybe we will have a reversal from here. Who knows? We will be patient. We will be patient. Okay, thank you. I normally trade Forex. You're welcome, my friend Linda. You're welcome. I have, and me personally, of course, once you will go into the futures trading, it's very hard to go back to Forex because you get, in futures, we have no spreads, super executions exactly at our price, almost no slippage, but we have heavy fees. This is the truth. Also, the future props are much more harder than it's much more harder than the CFD ones, but it is what it is. Let's go and check 1 minute. What is my Euro GBP trade going? How is it going? Oh no, my friend, it's going for my stop loss. And I'm sharing, my beloved friends, my MT5 chart. Why? Because, my friends, I believe in 2000% of transparency. Okay, this is why. I'm a huge fan of transparency. This is the trade that I shared all together. This was my trade idea, and I don't care what will happen. That's why I'm sharing with all of you. I'm already 2.6% up. If I give back 1%, good days. It is what it is. It's something that we must face about all the time as traders. Back to TradingView. And what happened? We have a reversal. Interesting stuff. What is DeLorean doing? Okay. Who remembers my 2025 ICT mechanical strategy? Whoever, of course, is member of TTF, and whoever isn't, if you want to learn, my beloved friends, please, down in the description, see a link, trdfloor.com. We'll be happy to see you in our community. Of course, we never forget that the Earn As You Learn program that gives a huge opportunity for everyone to be able to earn as they are in the education phase, in the educational phase. It can help you all earn a subscription, earn anything. I personally investing in the program. I'm enjoying it very much. And to be 100% honest with all of you, I'm seeing free percentages around each month, and I decided to catch some. This is the truth. I won't lie to anyone. Okay, interesting stuff. We also see the equal lows over here. This is EU, of course. I'm very curious to see also what will happen over here. I'm very curious. I'm very curious. Okay, we are hearing says Maxi. Says. Interesting stuff are going around. Interesting stuff. Okay, we are seeing a pullback. This would be a really interesting move from a DeLorean perspective. Here, of course, we had the sell side taking the previous 90-minute cycle low. Immediately, the reversal. We could enter late over here. Let's see how it would play out for a 1.5. Very interesting stuff going around. 87 point stop loss. Why do we have so much volatility? Aaron says, looks like a solid reversal trade. Not sure I would take it though. Counter trend is a bit risky for me. Also for me. I don't like going counter trend. I won't lie to you. That's why you are seeing that I'm not taking this trade in any of my accounts. Why? Because it's against my 1 hour order flow. And my 1 hour order flow says that I must go short. Okay, if we had the liquidity grab of the upper side, then yes, I would have taken it for sure. And take the move down. That's what I mean. Magdalena says, can we look at Euro Australian dollar? I know I'm boring about it, but would love to close this trade and forget. I'm seeing it's forming higher highs on the 15-minute. Unfortunately, what do you think about this pair? Of course, I can give a look. Well, I won't lie to you. Let's go to the daily. We are here in a huge support level, resistance level here. It's huge. Look how many times price has reacted from these levels. Okay. Look at this certain level. I know you're going to tell me now that, of course, support resistance level is something quite a little bit discussionable. Well, overall, yes, the pair is for sure bullish. We are looking at the daily time frame. Of course, the latest swing low is over here, my friend Magda, and this is the swing high. So all this price action inside is internal structure. Despite this fact, yes, after we saw here price changing character and going down, what do we have? The latest high that caused a lower low was this one. So what do we have over here? We have almost broken it with, we haven't broken it. Look, at least at FXCM, we haven't. So the structure is still bearish. it's still bearish. Is the most important is that it is at a strong support resistance level. Let's go and check also the 1 hour. Look, it hasn't break it for sure. Yes, this was the news candle. It sent price hyper bullish. But look something important. I understand that price is creating higher highs and higher lows, yes, but look what the opportunity gives you price one more time. Here we have left these imbalances, fair value gaps, call them whatever you want. I have spoken many times about them. Don't forget, fair value gaps are important levels. They are inefficiency, imbalances that needs to be balanced. So for me, if I give a look in the 15, yes, we are creating higher highs and higher lows, but because fair value gaps in my eyes are magnets for price, they are magnets, I believe that here we are going to have a really nice change of character at this point, and price retest the level and go down over here. Now, no one can guarantee that we will go down even more. At least I hope that we will go over here and take this liquidity. Underneath here, we have also one more fair value gap down here that hasn't been filled. So I believe in general it has hope. It has hope. We must be patient. I'm also seeing my trade that I took on Euro Great Britain, the British pound, in consolidation from I was in profit heavily, and suddenly it reversed on me, and now it's going sideways. It is what it is. I'm very, very positive that price will continue lower, and I mean this. I'm not throwing. I'm not a guy that will try to lie to you or that to make everything seem beautiful. I'm not this kind of guy, unfortunately. And I believe that everyone has understood this from the beginning. That is knowing me via trading floor. I am not the guy that's going to be. No, I am polite, but I'm going to always to tell the truth. Either you like it, either not. And this doesn't go only to you, it goes for everyone. I wouldn't be afraid in your situation. You know why? You know that I am trading a system DRIDR. I'm mostly trading the DRIDR. If you know that I'm trading DRIDR, you know that I love statistics. You know that I love data. I have proved to all of you that I love data, especially you, the members that are part of TTF. What does this mean? That when we have a system in the trading floor, and I'm talking about the Owners You Learn, that has such huge data and such huge results, I just trust it blindfolded. And I mean it. The reason that I am doing my analysis is to get a better entry. I trust what it says to me. And I mean it. I trust what it says. Aaron says, oh, I have lost a little bit. Oh, Max says, I like the idea a lot, but nothing for me today. And with the, I meant, I know your mechanical strategy. Okay, thanks. I know that you know, my friend Maxi, I know. Aaron says, EU looks super nice, just waiting for DeLorean now. I hope it plays out, my friend. I love that you have added also DeLorean to your entry method. I love it because we have said that DeLorean has many uses, many usages. Okay, I believe that I found the correct word. Tyler says nice fib retracement for the initial move down on NQ. Okay. Okay. For some reason, I'm afraid. Okay. It's going quietly up. I don't trust to take a short. I told all of you what I would like to see. I would like at least for it to take some from here London high, this kind of liquidity, the high of the R, something like that, in order for me to take a really nice overall continuation down. Maxi says it was a key to getting me to look into quarterly theory in the first place. I know, my friend. I know, my friend Maxi. I know that you hear what I say to you all the time. I'm very happy for you. I'm seeing all the time how much progress you have. I'm happy that I'm a small part of your journey. But don't forget, and this goes for anyone that is searching for a really nice advice, that my friends, don't forget, simplicity is the key to everything. And of course, patience. Patience. Donovan says, yes, yeah, Alex, it's not flashy, but wants everyone to succeed. Thanks, man. It means a lot. Thank you so much. Tyler, yes, it throttled for a minute at 0.62, but now cruising up. I can't trust it for some reason. I'm seeing that it is reacting from the level between the IDR and the DR level of course, of London. I won't be surprised if I see a move down from here. We must be a little bit more patient. Remember, today is Tuesday. And every Tuesday, what we have said, what goes on, we must be patient in general. We must be patient in general. Tell me, my friends, how is the live stream? How it looks to everyone? Do you enjoy it? Would you like something else for us to add? As I said, I'm enjoying it very much. I won't lie to you. I love what we are doing all together. If you would like to add something that would make it even more, that you will enjoy it even more. Let's enable a little bit the J zones. Okay. Okay. Here the 1 hour J zone looks very strong. Look how much it has been holding, it has been holding price. Let's take a look at DXY. We didn't take a look at DXY. Big mistake from us. Okay, I'm seeing that price is in a huge J zone. And if you believe that this is random one more time, what can I say about it? What can I say what's going on DXY? Okay, the drone liquidity is of course up here. We have a really nice bullish movement from DXY currently. Let me get a close look also in the 1 hour. Yes, the drone liquidity is up here. So I believe in a upper move even more over here. I won't lie to you. But of course, must be patient. Price is currently pulling back. It can have a really nice continuation over here. Went exactly at the equilibrium. Why not to continue up? Price is also in this bullish fair value gap at this point. Okay. So, why did we do this analysis, my friends? If we are expecting the dollar index, the dollar's strength to go up, this means that all the pairs against the dollar will go down. Why? Because this index shows us the strength of the dollar, so all the pairs against it will, if the dollar is powerful and is in an uptrend, then all the against pairs will be in a downtrend. Greg says, really enjoy the live stream. I'm very, very, very happy. Thank you so much, and it means a lot for me, my friend Greg. Tyler says, we are in a crazy time with the government shutdown. We do not have our normal economic data, and then the ramped up trade war. Yes, exactly. Crazy stuff is going around. What we are seeing in general, we are not disappointed. We will be able to learn and program ourselves to survive in this kind of markets. The only thing is that we must be get used to what is going on. Nothing else. Stay patient. Let's also take a look. Now that I remember, let's take a look at my EG trade. Almost would go in profit again. It didn't, unfortunately. I would like to see it come in profit, but it didn't. Happy days, although, again, no worries. I would like to see it more in profit so I can be more relaxed about it. Because don't believe that if you are going to be a huge trader that everything will change suddenly in your trading. You will still be anxious about trades. You will still you feel fear. Nothing changes, and I mean this. Nothing changes. So I hope that it goes more in profit. Let's go back to NQ. Okay. We had the reaction from the London DR. I want to see a bigger manipulation. Being able to see this reaction from this London DR and the JSON makes me want to hit the button, but I will try to be patient. I will try. Maxi says, yes, I agree. It would have been a lot easier if I just went with DR in the first place. I decided to take a harder road, and with where I am now, I know that I can make it and become even better. I'm 100% sure about you. I believe in you, my friend Maxi. Even though it might take some more time, he says. But I'm working on simplicity more and more, only taking trades when it's easy. Simplicity, less trades with higher quality, more profits. I agree, and we all know, and I personally know many traders that make tons of money in the 15, tons of money in the direct 1 hour trading. There's no need for the 1 minute time frame. I just learned trading in the 1 minute. I do it for even more high probability setups because I am used to it. But as I said also in the previous live stream, I have been through all the struggles. I have been through where you are, and I'm still there. It never goes away. Don't believe that trading suddenly becomes like paradise. It can become when you will be trading for 15, 20 years and you have lost so many times that it really doesn't make a sense. So I'm sure that through experience, some emotions go away, but they never go away totally. Pat says, have to jump off for now. Thanks, Alex. I will check the rest of the recording at TTF archive. GPP USD is also good to go down. See you on TTF. See you, Pat. Nice to see you. Thanks for joining. Thanks for the tip about GU. Thanks so much. Jay, I only trade on the yearly chart. We know, everyone knows that you are the magician of the markets. We are seeing this all the time from your zones that you have created here at Easy Exit. We know that you have an astrology strategy that only you trade. You were the only one that was able to find a sequence aligned with astrology. You are in general a hybrid of trader. I'm very happy that you are part of TTF. You are TTF in my eyes. Jay, Bear, Christy are the heart of TTF. They do so many things. Ken, I don't want to forget anyone. Many do the work for us. I'm so happy that I'm able to work with you guys. It means a lot for me. Glenn asks, what does DR stands for? Defining range, my beloved friend. Defining range. And IDR means implied defining range. Steve, the levels you are looking for retracement will be near 200 EMA. Do you take notice of moving averages? Steve, I will be 100% honest with you, my friend. I have stopped a long time ago having the EMAs on my charts. So I will put one just for the moving average. Moving average. Exponential or simple. Let's put an exponential. And let's put 200. I won't lie to you. Yes, it's near from what. Yes, this is what I expect. I expect all this liquidity to be taken. I won't lie to you. So, yes, it can be a reaction from 200 EMA. I won't lie to you. The reason that I'm not using it is because the only thing, it can be huge. I won't be trying to make that I'm a smart ass because I'm not using it. The 200 EMA gives us the last 200 candles average price. This line is the average price of the last 200 candles. Okay, I understand the meaning behind it, but the 200, especially EMA, is too far if we are trading the lower time frames. It can give us a general direction that we are expecting price to go low because it's beneath the 200 EMA. But I have seen multiple times price going up, retesting, and doing multiple things, stopping me out all the time. I believe that all the concepts have its time frame, the best time frame that they can be tradable on. If what I said makes sense, of course. I don't know. You the goat, not me. No, you are the goat, my friend. I'm nothing. I'm just a trader taking advantage of the systems that you have created. Lol, Jay is a crypto whale. We know. Yes, he for sure. My friends, you don't want to see Jay's portfolio. He is for sure 3 whales together. Not 1, 3 whales. Jay says, Christy is the crypto whale. I'm just a shark for now. You liar. You liar. Tyler says DR is also known as the initial balance. Yes, Tyler, exactly. It's the concept of the initial balance. Although the initial balance as a concept doesn't have the statistics, it's the same exact thing what DRADR is with a different name. But the author of the concept of DRIDR has 25 years of data that backs that helps us create a true edge. I have also give everyone another edge that most of you didn't hear in one of my first live streams. That, for example, especially the New York traders, if you are trading the real trading hour, the regular trading hours, we have about, if I remember well, 68% that price will go at the low of the gap. So, for example, today this was the opening, the real opening gap. This is the low. Okay, we have 68% that price will go towards the low. If you don't call this an edge, I'm sorry. Everyone must go back to the drawing board and understand truly what an edge is. This is a huge edge that is backed from statistics and data. It is also huge. Okay. Back to the electronic trading hours. I'm very curious now that we are all together over here to mark this. Let's make it 3 and let's write RTH low. RTH. Oh, sorry, that was the RTH high. Sorry. RTH high. Perfect. And let me check. We already filled the low. In general, it is a huge statistic that price always will return to the real trading hours gap. And what I just told you has a 68% statistics. Now, if this isn't an edge, what is an edge? What is an edge? Wait, so Dr. Pepper is defining range pepper? You're making me laugh, my friend Jay, and I cough. Tyler says exactly. Maxi says that's crazy. Really? 68% to fill the gap fully? I always heard that from ACT, but with a 50% of it in the first 30 minutes. So the market is rarely to hit the 50% of the gap in the first 30 minutes of the market open. He always says this is above 70% of the time. Well, I believe it. The real trading hour gap is a concept that has begun when the markets turned into electronic hours and are being open 23 hours of the 24. I'm not going to play that I'm smart or that I'm a smartass. Go hit the statistics upon it. There is a software. I'm not going to refer, of course. If you want, I will tell to you in the community that you are able to test multiple things upon multiple years. It is a software, automated one. You put the parameters and it does it for you. Okay, you can check what I'm telling you. Of course, we are not affiliated to the software. I also learned it from another YouTube video, free, okay, that went through the statistics of it. For example, if I remember well, it is 78% that it goes for sure to the real trading hour low of the gap, for sure, like it did over here. So to be more specific, if, for example, we took the reversal down here after the 90-minute cycle liquidity grab, it had huge logic to take this reversal and go to the real trading hours low. Okay. Does this make sense to all of you? Does this make sense? I hope it does. Okay, what's going on now, my friends? What we are seeing? This is invalid for now. Going to the opening price of London. I'm really interested to see what will happen. Okay. Let's go and check how my Euro GBP trade is going on. An update. It's not going so well for now. Lying in drawdown, sideways. The only thing that makes me be more calm is that we are forming an ascending wedge, ascending channel. That is usually a reversal pattern, and I hope that we will have a continuation towards the downside. But we are in drawdown, as you all see. Being patient. As I said, it is what it is. And in front of you, you have one of the most transparent traders in the space. This is me. I don't care if I'm showing you my losses. I don't care if I'm showing you my wins. I'm showing you transparency all the time. This is me. And whoever follows me and knows me, especially from TTF, knows that I am 100% transparent. Don't forget, my friends, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Press also the notification button. It helps us very much in what we are doing. We are trying to do. It's a new thing for all of us. We are enjoying it so much, especially me. Don't forget, link in the description, trdfloor.com. Come, check a look. Take a look at our website. You will see a review of all the content that we offer here in TTF. And of course, the magical project, the best project out there, the Earn As You Learn program. That, of course, is so successful. I promise that the next time I'm going to show a little bit to all of you how much success we have and our members have with it. So how important it can be and how it can be a game changer for many traders. For many traders. Okay. It's quite being a pain in the ass, to be honest. I don't like what I am seeing. And let's mark also for my friend Maxi. This is the 50%. Let's see if it will go to the 50%. Yes, the cockroach encroachment. The cockroach encroachment is the 50%. In order to be relaxed, am I still? Am I uploaded? Did I make a small? Are you seeing me? Am I? Consequent encroachment. Yeah. Okay. Consequent encouragement. Oh, you are lagging. Yes, I saw that I was lagging. I hope it is fixed now. I hope it's fixed. YouTube being a little finicky. Yes, because I don't have a problem in my connection. Okay. I'm checking all the time my connection and it's up for sure. But who knows? I have told all of you they haven't sent me until now the router. I called them yesterday because we would have today this live stream. And I won't lie to you, I was quite pissed with all of them because they haven't sent me the new router yet. I believe this is the problem. The router is the problem. I don't want to believe that it is my line because I'm using the optical cable. Greg says maybe you need another cup of Java. Really? You mean JavaScript? Because I believe that I have done all my updates. Or that's the problem, that I did all my updates. Probably that's the problem. Is it now good? I'm sorry. Yep, your voice is kinda cutting in and out. I hope that it is fixed now. I hope so. I hope. Hello, Alex. So happy to see you here. Nice to see you, mate. Nice to see you. I'm so happy that you joined. Ah, coffee, lol. Okay, my espresso, you mean? You mean espresso? Of course I have my espresso. Of course. Is everything fixed now, Jay? I'm quite concerned that I love espresso. It is my only sin that I will do all the time. Okay. Let's see. It didn't went to the consequent encouragement. Says everything is good on my end. Okay. Thanks so much. Thank you, Ashley. Okay, Ken. Okay, perfect, mate. Thank you so much for confirming. Well, I'm trying my best, to be honest. I'm making, before I begin the stream, I'm making my prayers. That my praise that everything will go well with the router until at least it will be fixed. Okay. This is another London level. Okay. This is also another London level that we are seeing a small reaction. Okay. Interesting stuff. And by coincidence, it has reacted to the 200 EMA. I maybe probably add the 200 EMA. From what I'm seeing, it is the secret sauce of everything. The secret sauce. The secret sauce. How was everyone's trading today? Tell me. The viewers that I didn't ask or didn't answer previously. How is my trade going? Let's go and check. How is my trade in? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I would love to see some bearish candles, please. Please, Mr. Euro GPP, please. I know that you don't like me. I don't like you either. Please. Even I will close you at 1-to-1. I promise. I won't take my whole profit. I promise. Go to my way, please. Do you want me to feel shame in front of my members? Do you really want to do this to me? Okay, after nearly a year of hard work and guidance from you, I finally passed my evals today. Can't wait to show you my certificate, Alex. I'm so happy for you, mate. I'm really so happy. Yes, I can't wait to see your certificates. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that you managed to accomplish this mission. This can be a huge milestone for you. I'm so proud of you. And I mean this, mate. So proud of you. So proud of you. Congrats, congrats, my friend. This is TTF, my friends. This is TTF. And I mean this. Supportive Discord. We are all the time with everyone. We are also traders. Helping each other. Questions. Trying every day. But the huge effort is from you guys, my friends. From you guys. Well done, RG. I'm so happy for you, mate. Well done, mate. Bravo, bravo. Well done, my friend. Well done. Yeah, Max, it's so huge what RG did. It's so huge. I'm so proud of you, mate. I'm so proud. And I mean this. I'm so proud. Okay, Maxi says he's done for the day. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, my beloved friend. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. I'm so proud of you. Really, really, RG. You made my day, my friend. You made my day. I'm so happy. Okay. Okay. No, it took a little bit of liquidity from here, to be honest. This liquidity from these highs over here. But for some reason, I believe that it is not enough. It is not enough. And it will probably go to the consequent encroachment, cockroachment level. I really love, I have huge respect of ICT, of course. I want to be disrespectful, but sometimes I can't understand many things. The 50% of the range could be enough. I love these names many times, but other times I believe it makes quite a confusion. I don't know if you agree. Huge respect, of course. Huge respect. He has given so much education to everyone and free, of course. Has helped a lot of traders. That's why we have huge respect for him. And any credits go, of course, to him on any concepts that we use that are from him, of course. Okay, JSAV, big thank you to your EasyX dedicator. Really enjoyed so much. Oh, perfect. Perfect, my friend. We are so happy. We are so happy that it helped you. Okay. Okay. It's breaking again, London. As we expected, going for more liquidity. I see it has much more logic that it will go up. This is the reality of it. This is the reality of it. I for sure expected it to go up. Okay. Yes, the J Zone RG are magical. We don't know what he does. Thanks to him, we have found huge point of interests with a magical way. Aaron says took an L on Euro USD. Looks like it's going for a deeper retracement. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. For sure, yes. Yes, I see. I see. And this is what we exactly saw on DXY. What we talked about, that price will might want to go back to the 1 hour fair value gap. If of course it breaks it, things will change. And in my eyes, we'll have a very, very bullish Euro USD. I like the setup. I won't lie to you. It is what it is. We go to the next trade. You executed perfectly. I don't see anything wrong upon it. It is what it is. Yes, I agree, Aaron. You didn't do anything wrong. Look what price has done from the morning. These kind of things we can't do anything about it. Look what it did. It went down and now it has recovered all this move up. Okay. Okay. You can't do anything about it. And I mean it. If we check, if we check the lower time frames, the daily candle, look what it did. Equal lows down here, manipulated price, and now it's going clearly up. It's kind of the situation that we can't do anything about it. Anything. Unfortunately. Okay. Tyler says manipulating up before Jerome tells everyone rate cuts are cancelled. Oh yes, we have this information. Really? Interesting stuff you are sharing with us, Mr. Tyler. Interesting stuff. Do you have any information about it? Don't forget, my friends, everything that we are talking about over here is our personal opinion and is for educational purposes only. Any trading decisions that you're making, of course, or you're going to make are exclusively on your responsibility. Of course, don't forget, hit the like. If you join now, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. It helps us a lot in the reason and why we are doing this. We are trying to create the TTF show public for everyone, to be able to show to everyone what we are capable to do. And you that are members of TTF, you are for sure know what we are capable to do. And I'm not talking about what only RG accomplished, but go, especially the members that you have access to the testimonies, go and check what the other traders are doing. Take the example from them and try to apply simple things day after day. And the limit will be the sky, my friends. Don't forget trdfloor.com, link in the description. Go take a look at the website and you will see what we offer to all of you. Tyler says, I just expect his speech today to reflect they will be cautious on rate cuts with the new coming tariffs consistent with his attitude in the past. Okay. I thought it was more based on research. Okay. Aaron, look at the 1 hour on LQ. It's looking pretty bullish, so may be set also for deeper retracement. I have to hop off now. Thanks for all of the help, Alex. Have learned a lot today. Thank you so much, Aaron, for for coming along with us. Huge thank you. We all appreciate. Keep up the hard work, my friend. we don't leave a small loss to take over us. We will win at the end of the day if we stay disciplined and patient. Okay, 50% of this leg. Okay. Okay, I see. Okay. Okay. Yes, interesting. Very interesting, to be honest. Very interested. Any idea when will the next strategy wars be? It will be called Profit Wars, and it will be Profit League, yes, and it's coming in November, says Jay. I'm going to refresh also the banners I have created. I forgot to add it. Profit League in November, my friends. Profit League. I'm so curious what Mr. J is preparing for all of us one more time. I'm sure that he's going to make, the changes he does all the time so we can lose. But we are going to win, my friends. I'm sure about everyone. I'm sure about you. Who qualifies to enter? Everyone, Tyler. Everyone can participate. Everyone who wants to trade. And my friends, we have a bullish confirmation. Yes, my friends, we have a bullish confirmation. We have our retest and we must long based on the basic trading plan. Yes, my friends, we must long based on. I won't lie to you, we have a lot of room from the DR towards the Asian DR. Also is the real time high over here, the real trading hours high. If everything aligns, I'm going to take the trade. Let's do our magic. And now patience must pay off. The indicator that I'm using now is Fractal Frenzy. Everyone knows, especially the members of the community. I'm telling this whoever doesn't know, I'm using Fractal Frenzy. It is an indicator we have here in TTF. And whoever is interested, we have published a mini series. Artie has done also a mini series upon what I'm doing right now. Go and check what exactly we are doing. Simple, easy, step by step. I like that price is pulling back. I won't lie to you. Remember, this is also a point of interest. I'm really interested to see what will happen. As Jay says, of course, answering Tyler, everyone can participate, everyone qualifies. Strategy or concepts aren't a thing. Everyone can do its thing and participate. Let's go and check our trade. Okay, it's not going so well. It's not doing well at all. Suddenly, Euro has lost power. It will probably hit our stop loss. No worries, it is what it is. Happy days. If I lose, I will inform you all. It's going although towards our stop loss. Okay. Let's see if we are going to have our fractal frenzy. Where are the magnets? I can't put on MT5 magnets. It's not working on MT5. It's too old. I must go to Trade Locker. I must go to Team Locker, Trade Locker. Tyler says, is it team based as in the past? I believe that from what Jay said the other day, it will probably be an individual contest. I believe it will probably be an individual contest. But for sure, he might have a surprise for all of us. And the last time we can have teams, he does these things all the time. Commissioner Jay says it's technically individual based, but we will tracking teams for fun. Perfect. Perfecto. I knew that he had something for us. We are so used to doing all these things, Mr. J doing these things to us. He likes play with us. This is the reality. It is a really nice contest who everyone is, of course, interested in. It tests our limits in general. And I love testing my limits. That's why I participated in all 7 strategy wars until now, and now Profit League will be my 8th competition. It is something that I enjoy because, as I said, it tests our limits, and it is really nice that we go out of our comfort zone many times, our safe trading hours. It gives a little bit suspense. Jay says, I usually make sure to add in twists to make sure Alex and Christy doesn't win. Oh, come on, mate. Really? Really, mate? Really? I told you he's doing everything to manipulate. Here, he is the real manipulator. Really? Well, Christy will for sure win at the end. Everything that you will do, she will win at the end. We know that. Algo 2.0 says, can you say something about how to treat multiple trades in regards to correlated pairs, please? This is a huge discussion, my friend Algo 2.0. I understand completely what you mean exactly, but it depends if they are correlated or non-correlated. And what do I mean by that? For example, Euro USD and USD JPY is correlated based on the dollar. Yes, correct. So, if, for example, the dollar is strong, I would avoid longing in GU, for example. It is very, very rare to see 2 pairs with the same second asset to not be affected. The only thing that you can do if you are in 2 positions that are inverse correlated is take small scalps, 1-to-1s, 1.5s. Don't hold your trades because either one will win, either will lose. That is also a system that you can leave one trade go and the other one to lose on purpose, but I don't see any value in it. Also, can a situation like 2 trades at the same time, like GBP and USD, the same time, both short? Yes, because this means that we have a weak dollar if this happens. Okay, it makes sense. But as Jay referred to you down below, is that yes, both have common the dollar, and if the dollar is weak, this means that the against pairs will be strong. But maybe can something happen and the yen might be even more weak, and the dollar can be more strong than the Japanese yen. You understand what I mean? But in general, the rule is that if they have one of the two currencies are the same, we expect same movement from them. Okay. Yes, I believe I said what Jay said with other words, I believe. I'm making a huge try to be able to speak proper English. Although I was born in the States, my friends, my English aren't the best. I had many, many, many years that I have came to Greece, so I have forgotten a little bit my native language. That's the problem. You're welcome, Algo 2.0. I hope that you totally understood what we said and we didn't confuse you even more. Well, of course, the trade is not going as well as we expected on the Euro GBP. Oh, thank you, Ken. Thank you so much, my friend. I need this kind of boosts because sometimes I I had this problem as I was a child also. I had so many things in my head, and because I was thinking of so many things, I couldn't express myself properly. And the doctor told me and told my mother that the problem was that my mind was processing so many things at the same time that I had a problem in expressing myself. That's why you will see many times that I take my time, I calm down, and I answer as slow as I can because I'm trying to clear my thoughts before I answer. Glenn says it looks like a perfect fib bounce from the start of the fair value gap to the high. Yes, probably. You mean here? Yes, probably. Of course. Why not? Why not? But it is too early. Something that stops me from taking shorts is that we have confirmed clearly bullish. We have a bullish confirmation of the initial balance. So it kind of ruins my bias. I have measured that we have room until the ASNDR. So if we have a fractal frenzy signal, I will go towards it because I have the room. But as you said also, I have that in mind because I was in general from the beginning of the session, I was bearish. Algo 2.0, I'm basically sitting on my fingers trying not to close one of the trades which I managed myself to get into. Yes, of course, my friend. We trust our trades. We trust what we do. And my friends, I am officially stopped out from Euro GBP. Unfortunately, I wrote a loss. You'll see price closed my position up there. Stop loss. Again, it is what it is. I still find the trade idea from Earn as you learn magnificent, but it is what it is. We will give it a try. Both us on different sides. Okay, mate. Okay. Ken says, could range now until Powell speaks? Yes, it's one scenario that I also believe. Also. And from what I'm seeing, it will probably continue range. Well, I will wait 10 minutes more. If not, I'm going to close the stream. Unfortunately, as I said, we took a loss. Back to trading view. I'm going to wait. I don't have so much hope, to be honest, that price will reject, but this is one of our point of interest. Yes, it pulled back to it. I'm really curious to see what will happen. Weird stuff going on. Also, this is a weird reaction from. Oh, this was a 4-hour equal lows. What was it? Why have I marked equal lows over here? Okay. Probably from the 15-minute. I don't know. This is for sure wrong. I don't know what over here. Okay, at the 1 hour. I was confused. Why? Yes, this makes sense. This makes sense. Of course, it makes sense. No, to be honest, no clear direction on what price wants to truly do. Maybe, as Ken said, we are probably waiting for Mr. Powell. Well, I believe that it will probably. Whoa, 54 points. What is going on? So much volatility we have. Okay, let's see. I like this reaction from the fair value gap. I won't lie to you. I hope it will pay for our patience. We are showing so much patience to find a really nice trading setup. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. RG says, any advice for me from your past experience moving forward to sim funded? My huge advice is to keep following your plan. Keep following what brought you into this situation. You had a recipe that you baked a cake, and you baked the cake that passed you this challenge. This yes, this challenge. Now you must do the same thing exactly, but my opinion is to reduce a little bit your risk. For example, I don't know, I believe that you are trading futures. RG, remind me, please. If you are trading futures, I would reduce a little bit your risk, your exposure. And of course, if you are trading CFD, the same thing. Reduce your wicks, your risk. Continue what exactly you are doing. Don't change anything and trust your plan. Nothing else. Nothing else, and I mean this. Okay, let's see if it's going to give us the opportunity to participate in the markets. Okay. Exactly. Jay says something very important. The money isn't real until you withdraw profit. Treat it like any other account. I agree with Alex about reducing risk. Get in a groove. Exactly. Because, exactly as Jay said, really, it will be real money only if it hits your bank account. It will only be real money if it hits your bank account. Of course, we trade it wisely. Of course, we do. no doubt about that. But we be careful, because it can be, if things don't go as you expect, it can be a huge disappointment. But of course, it is what it is. As I have mentioned multiple times, profit challenges are, my friends, tools that we use in order to capitalize on the markets. Nothing else. Nothing less. Okay, it's giving us the opportunity. I will hit the button if, of course, Fractal Frenzy tells me to. Let's make the proper measurements. Okay, please don't fly without me. Really? Really? Come on, Ken. Let's go. Rip it. I'm long on micro ES at 6669. Go for it, mate. I hope it plays out. Now NQ is playing with me. Let's show to the world how we do it. Okay, pull back a little bit. Let's go. Let's measure. Yes, I would like to cover for sure. Yes. Don't forget, my friends, any trade decisions you're going to make are exclusively on your responsibility. Okay, 1.6, I like it. 1.65. Okay, I hope it goes up. Thanks all for the great advice. You're welcome, my friend RG. I'm so happy for you. I hope everything goes well. Stop loss says at 6653.5. To the moon. Magnet? Yes, of course. Technologia. Of course. Too big. Okay. Make it black, please. And of course, our special lightnings, although they are not working very good today. We hope that it's going to play out. The magnet strategy. The magnet. Let's go. Let's go. I have taken, remember, I am trading the micro NQ. Each point is $2. So my total risk is almost 43 points. So this means that I have a total risk around $250. $250. Magnets work 100% of the time, 50% of the time. I hope it will work 80% of the time. I'm not asking for much. Oh no, oh no, please, please don't, please, please. Come on, Mr. Magnet. Please, Mr. Magnet, please, 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 please. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, please. No, no, please, no. No, come on. No, no. Okay, it's not my day. Yeah, but just a retracement, but it's a big retracement, mate. Oh, it stopped us out. Okay, no worries. Happy days. It's not our day today. This is the reality. It's retracing even deeper. Let's put a fib over here to see where it can probably play out now. It does these things sometimes. But I took my chance. I decided over there to put my stop loss. I saw that we had beneath these fair value gaps that I expected price to go. But unfortunately, I didn't have the room to cover. The stop loss would be huge and I couldn't handle this risk on this account. The technology didn't work, of course. Unfortunately, I can stare and watch it go towards my direction. I know that it loves to do that to me. Okay, my friends, I believe it is time that I humiliated myself enough. I'm joking, of course, my friends. I didn't humiliate myself. I'm joking. Unfortunately, we took a loss today. I followed the plan. As I said previously, I could have covered these fair value gaps, but I took a 3 micro position. If I had put a 2 micro position, it would be I could be even more passive. I made a mistake over there. Mistakes happen every time. Don't be worried about it. We try to keep our mistakes as less as we can. My friends, don't forget, link in the description, trdfloor.com. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. I really, really mean this. I'm really, really honored that you all joined my live stream for today. Of course, you know, I also have a private live stream that I do in the community. Publicly, next appointment on Thursday, same hour, we are going to open the markets together. Before I close, what's the reason you would go long in this case given New York is under the Asian DR, Alex? Well, the first is because for stream purposes, because it is the basic trading plan, and I had the room towards the Asian DR. I thought that price would like to retrace even deeper. That's why I took it. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for joining. See you next time. See you also in TTF for all the members. Thanks so much for joining today. My honor. Thanks, my friends. Bye bye.